So in this question, we are finding A complement intersection B complement. U is the universal set and A and B are subset of U. So we are finding A complement intersection B complement. And before we can find A complement intersection B complement, we have to find A complement. After finding A complement, then we find B complement. Yeah, so let's find A complement. So A complement is equal to A complement. They are the members in the universal set which is not in set A. So in other words, we are going to subtract set A from the universal set. What will be left are A complement. So 1 is in set A, is here, so it's not part. 3 is also there, so it's not part. 7 is there, it's not part. 11 2 is there, it's not part. So A complement will be 5 and 9. Yes, let's move on to B complement. B complement, they are also the members in the universal set which is not in set B. Yeah, members in the universal set which is not in set B. So we are going to subtract B, set B, from the universal set. What will be left are B complement. So 3 is here, it's also here. So it means 3 is not part. 5 is there, it's not part. 7 is also there, it's not part. And 9. So B complement is 1 and 11. Now let's move on to A complement intersection B complement. So now we have A complement and also B complement. So A complement intersection B complement, they are the members that can be found in both set A complement and set B complement. And as you can see, A complement intersection B complement is an empty set. Yes, meaning no member can be found in set A complement and set B complement. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.